I'm standing high above the Tuscan town of Vinci, and just about everyone in the world is familiar with it, but they don't know why. Well, this is the birthplace of the most singular genius in human history, whose name was Leonardo da Vinci. The town of Vinci is situated about 30 miles or 50 kilometers west of Florence. It sits at the foothills of the Apennines, along the slopes of Monte Albano, and is one of the most picturesque places that you can find in the entire world, characterized by these vineyards and olive groves. And considering how famous Leonardo da Vinci is, it's not surprising that just about everything here in Vinci is named after him. But one thing you can do in Vinci is to visit the Museo Leonardo, or the Museum of Leonardo da Vinci, which is divided up amongst three venues. The first of which is the Palazzo Uccelli, which contains models of Brunelleschi's lifting machines and their influence on Leonardo, as well as models of Leonardo's designs for clock mechanisms. Then you can hit the Castello dei Conti Guidi, where you can see model reproductions of Leonardo's war machines. And then finally, the Museum of Leonardo in Painting, where you can see reproductions of his many masterpieces. Vinci is also full of monuments to Leonardo by contemporary artists, like the bronze reproduction of Leonardo's never-completed bronze horse, or his Vitruvian Man, or his polyhedron, and most recently a marble statue of Leonardo himself holding a model of his flying machine. While there's nothing left by Leonardo or belonging to him here in Vinci, one thing you can see is the baptismal font, where he was almost certainly baptized in 1452 here in the Church of Santa Croce. And if you're in Vinci, be sure to make the trek just a little bit further up Monte Albano to the small hamlet known as Anciano, where you can visit Leonardo da Vinci's birthplace. And it was here on April 15th of 1452 that the great genius was born. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Vinci and publishing weekly.